Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this picture enlargement frame, and this size is a 16 by 20 inches frame. We have the frame here, we have the board, and we have the printed picture. We start off by cutting out the excesses from the picture. And we are using a black frame today. You can use any type of frame that you want. With this style that I'm showing you today, you can also use it to frame your artwork. It's now time to put the glue. Today I'm using a white glue. We have two types of glue that we use in this type of work. You can use evocative glue, the ones I normally use in my acrylic frameless video. You can use it here, but you can also use this white gum. This white gum holds easily, but it takes a little bit time to dry off, unlike the evocative glue that can dry off under 5 minutes. So I make sure I touch all the parts of the board with the glue. I now gently place the printed picture on top of the board. Make sure all the parts are covered. Now get a piece of cloth and use and smoothing it gently and careful. You also be careful so that the glue doesn't touch the picture. Although if it touches it, you can easily clean it off with water. You can see the excess parts. We use our scissors and cut them off. Before placing them into the frame. If you're enjoying this video, please kindly like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. If you have any question, you can drop them on the comment section. I always try as much as possible to reply all my comments. This is our frame. We'll place the board inside. Make sure it fits well. I've already plugged my electric glue gun in the electricity and it's now hot. I'll be using it to hold the board to the frame. Although other people use what do they call it, half-inch nail. They use half-inch nail to hold the board to the frame, but I'll be using my hot glue gun. I prefer using it. You can check other videos I've made about framing. You will see that I made use of half-inch nail, sorry. Make sure you get all the parts very well. If you have been watching all my videos, you notice that I always make use of this hot glue gun. You can buy it around 4,000 naira in Nigeria. In dollars, I don't know the exact price it will be in dollars now, around $3 or $4 right now. You can check on Amazon or AliExpress. Another place you can buy this electric glue gun is near tailoring materials are being sold. Okay, now we are done. Let's see how it is. You can see it's very fine now and strong. It's now time to cover the back. We'll use our gum again, our white glue. Touch all the parts. I'm sorry about my hair that is covering the frame. Make sure you get all the parts, both the board and the frame. I'll be using this brown paper that I pulled out from an acrylic glass that I was using to do a frameless work. Instead of buying a brown paper, that's one of the advantages of rolling out the acrylic glass with a roller. Instead of tearing it off and wasting it, you can just recycle the brown paper. Try as much as possible to make it smooth, although the back doesn't matter, but a neat job is always loved. It's time to touch the other half of it. I'll start off by touching the glue. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share to your friends so that they will learn how to do this too. now using a cutter, a very sharp cutter, to cut out the excesses so that it will look fine in the eye. I've brought my hook for hanging it on the wall. Make sure you always put a hook at the back, because people always prefer to hang their frames than keeping it on the floor. Okay, by opening it, I just confirm where is the upside, and I've confirmed that is this side. I always start off by measuring the whole width of the frame. Here I'm getting 19, so that means 19, that means 9.5. We'll put the hook at the center. Make sure you put it at the center, because if you don't put it at the center, when you hang the frame, it might swing to one side. Alright, you can see how beautiful our frame is. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also watch more videos, and if you have any question, just drop the question on the comment section. Thank you for watching.